first I'm going into Schoology in order to go into Blend Space in order to go to Play Post-it, which is where I take my notes. Right now I opened up my notes and Miss Gonzalez is now speaking and telling me what I need to do in order to find the area of a rectangle, which is basically multiplying fractions by a fraction. And then she asked me to try to do the problem, which is what I did, and then she's now explaining how she did it and how we should do it, and that we should do it by length times width. Now she's explaining more about the problem, which really helps us to understand it, even though we get a question wrong. Now she's writing down the problem, which is 5/4 times 2/3. Then she asks me to try to solve the problem, and I got 10/12, which was correct. As you can see right now. Then she's moving on to this other question, which is 3/10 times 4/5. Then she asks me to answer the problem, which I unfortunately got incorrect. So instead of 12/50, I did 12/15, but that's okay. We always learn from our mistakes, which is good for us. And it made me realize that I should look at it more and be able to go and understand it. Now she's reducing it to 6/25. Now she's moving on to this other question, which is 7/2 times 5/4. Then she asks me again to solve the problem, and I unfortunately again get it wrong. But that's okay. We learn from our mistakes anyway. So she's showing us that 7 times 5 is 35, and 2 times 4 is 8. And then she asks me what the new proper mixed number would be for the improper fraction. And now I typed it in, and I got it right. So now, that was the last question, and then it asks me how I felt, and I said that I liked it a lot because I got to understand it more even though I got it wrong. Now I'm moving on to my formative, and as you can see, I'm going to be starting to answer these questions, which are pretty easy. As you can see, I'm doing the problems and reducing them to the simplest form. And this one is the last question. And then reducing it to 6/25, and then I'm submitting it. Right now, I'm just looking at the project choice board, and then, as you can see, it will end soon enough.